How's it going, everyone? It's Netrix here from PHP-Fusion.us, bringing you a tutorial today on how to implement ArrowChat into your PHP-Fusion website. Now, before we get started, please take note that ArrowChat is a paid software. It does, however, cost a minimum fee of $45 at the time of this posting, um, which it is 100% open source after you buy it, but they do allow a 10-day free trial that you can use this tutorial for. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started with the implementation. Okay, we're going to open up our PHP Fusion website and we're going to navigate to infusions underscore chat panel install. Now, you want to make sure that you meet all the requirements listed here. It'll have a little check mark beside each function here to make sure that you have it enabled. And you'll click next once you get that finished. Choose an installation type. We're going to create a custom website, and hopefully in the future I'll be able to get PHP Fusion added right here, but we'll have to wait for that. And we're going to come down here, complete your database details, do your localhost, database name, username, and password. Connection was successful. Continue. Administrator, I've already filled out this information, so I don't need to go any further. Admin details written. Alright, choose your buddy list setup. We're going to do a no friend system because PHP Fusion is yet to have a buddy system set up. Alright, choose who can chat. We're going to do a display message to guests, or you can do login users or guesting users, but I like to do the display message to guests. Choose where to receive your information. It's going to be on my server. If you wish to do a push server, you'll have to do it with ArrowChat. You can just enter your API keys here and it should work. The ArrowChat path should be /infusions/chat_panel/. Alright, database prefix is whatever your prefix is. You'll have to check with your database. Here we have a Fusion structure. It'll be Fusion_admin. It should be automatically configured, but if not, you can just visit your PHP-MyAdmin and it'll be your prefix here. Anything that comes plus the underscore before your prefix, suffix, Alright, so database prefix, and then user table would be users, username field, user_name, user ID field is user_ID, and the avatar is user_avatar. Everything looks correct. Let's go ahead and continue. And you just want to do a brief overview here and make sure that everything is correct as should be. Everything looks good. Go ahead and install. And complete these final steps. You can skip this, but if you want to manually implement everything yourself, you just want to go ahead and follow these instructions. However, I already got everything implemented into the chat panel. And here's your ArrowChat administration before we continue. You can just go to Infusions Chat Panel -admin and use whatever settings you set here for your username and password. It does not work with your PHP Fusion login. You do have to set up your own. But you can just go back and edit stuff and change like the theme of the chat panel and as such. Okay, so we're going to continue. We're going to go ahead and go to our main file. You're going to want to go login, admin panel, system admin, panels. Go ahead and do a new panel. Go ahead and do it at upper center, chat panel. Name it chat panel. The panel file name, make sure it's chat panel. Alright, go ahead and save this. New panel added. Alright, we're going to go enable this panel. And we're going to go back to our home page, which at the bottom you should now see the ArrowChat toolbar chat. As you can see, no one is available in this chat, so we're going to have to create somebody to log in. So we're going to have to go to localhost/files, and as I've created an account named Joe, we're going to log in with his username. And as you can see at the bottom here, we have chat, admin. You can just say a quick hello. You notice down here in the bottom right, new message is complete, Joe. And there you have it. Some further information. Yes, ArrowChat is closed source. However, I cannot release all the source to ArrowChat because I'm not allowed to. However, and it is not a GPL license, so I'm not required to. However, I have created and been allowed to share the integration files needed to use this infusion. Well, it's not actually an infusion, but you get the point. Um, it'll be We have a chat panel, as you can see, which just basically um, includes all your information. It just adds the footer and stuff. And I've created all this myself. And we have our integration file, which will be in includes, and then integration.php. It returns the user ID, just regular stuff that I had to implement to get this to work. So I am allowed to pass this along to you guys, as I got the rights to due to making this video. And all right, if you have any trouble, make sure that you do go post in the forums at php-fusion.us. I hope this tutorial helped you. Netrix out. See you another time.